How to get Grammarly free trial. Grammarly offers free trial options to explore its premium features, such as advanced grammar checks, style improvements, and plagiarism detection. Here's how to activate a Grammarly free trial. Overview. While Grammarly doesn't explicitly advertise a free trial for premium, it offers limited time promotions or money-back guarantees, allowing you to try premium features risk-free. Step 1. Visit the Grammarly website. Go to www.grammarly.com. Sign up or log in using your email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Step 2. Start with Grammarly's free version. Grammarly provides a free plan with basic grammar, spelling, and punctuation checks. Upgrade to premium to access advanced features. Step 3. Look for a free trial offer. Occasionally, Grammarly offers free trial promotions to new users. These are often accessible via email promotions, partner websites, seasonal deals, Black Friday or back-to-school events. Check Grammarly's homepage or promotional emails for eligibility. Step 4. Subscribe with a money-back guarantee. Subscribe to Grammarly Premium on a monthly or annual plan. Use the 7-day money-back guarantee to explore premium features risk-free. Cancel your subscription within 7 days to receive a full refund if unsatisfied. Step 5. Refer friends for premium access. Grammarly offers referral bonuses for inviting friends. Send your referral link to friends. Earn free premium access or discounts when your referrals sign up. Step 6. Explore free premium trials from affiliates. Some educational institutions or workplaces provide free Grammarly Premium access to their members. Check with your school or employer to see if you qualify. By following these steps, you can explore Grammarly's features, either through its free version, referral rewards, or risk-free money-back guarantee.